A. For this set of numbers that we have, to arrange, we start with the one with the lowest value. And as you can see here, we have a mixture of different type of numbers. The 2-digit numbers, the single-digit numbers, the 3-digit numbers. And in value, numbers with singular digits are always lower than those of 2 digits, 3 digits, and so on and so forth. So the lowest number here would be the single-digit number. And from all we have here, there's just one single-digit number. That means the number we start with is 7. From this, we can then move on to our 2-digit numbers. And here we have 18, 25, 14, 37, 97, 58, and 45. You will pay attention to the digits that stands in the tens place value. And by doing so, we have numbers such as 1, in this case, 2, in this case, 1, in this case, 3, and then here we have 9, 5, and 4. By arranging this, the number 1 has the lowest value of all of them. And we have 2 of such cases here. So we deal with numbers within that range. So numbers that fall in this range are numbers like 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we have, yes, 14. And then we move to 15, 16, 17, and then 18. There, we have dealt with 1. Now we look at the remaining 2-digit numbers we have. We have the 25, 37, 97, 58, and 45. Of these, the next number we are looking at is the digit 2 here, which comes after 1. So after the number 18, the next number of a higher value will be 25. And then after 2, we have the number 3. So that is after 25, we have 37. After 3, we have 4. So that is 45. And then 58. And then 97. Now we have dealt with our 2-digit numbers. We can then go to the 3-digit numbers. And if we look through, we have 102 and 112. Now, considering the first digit here, we both have 1. They both have 1. To know which one has the highest value, we go to the next digit that follows. And here we have 0. In this case, we have 1. And 0 comes before 1. That means our next number would be 102, followed by 112. And by following these steps, we have been able to arrange this set of numbers in ascending order. Now let's go to B. To answer the question in B, we do the same thing by identifying first the number with the smallest value. And if you look through, we have 3-digit numbers. We have 2-digit numbers as well. So definitely the smallest value will be one of the 2-digit numbers. And of the 2-digit numbers, we have the number 78, 69, and 65. And to consider which one that comes first, we look at the digit that falls in the tens place value. Here we have 6, 6, and 7. And 6 comes before the number 7. So we have to consider these two first. Which one comes first? Since they are both 6, we consider the number that comes next. So we have 9 here and 5. And in order, we should have 5 before we come across 9. So that means our number with the smallest value here is 65. So we write that down, 65, followed by 69. Then the final 2-digit number we have here is 78. So now we have organized our 2-digit numbers. And we can now go to the 3-digit numbers. For the 3-digit numbers, we have 107, 102, 312, 410, 310, 502, 215. And just like we did in the first case, you consider the first digit that appear. In this case, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 5, 2. The number 1 should come first. That is, we are looking at these 2, which starts with 1. We have 107 and 102. Considering the next digit, 0, 0, the same thing. Then we go to the next one to consider which one is of the lowest value. So in this case, we have 7, and here we have 2. That helps us to know that 102 is of a lesser value compared to 107. So the next number in our order will be 102, followed by 107. Now we go to the other 3-digit numbers. We have left 312, 410, 301, 502, and 215. So after the number 1, what should come next? 2. That means the next number that follows will be 215, 215. And after 2, we have 3. And in this set of numbers, we have 2 of them, 312 and 302. Since they both start with 3, we look at the next digit. In this case, we have 0, and then here we have 1. That tells us that the smaller value of these 2 is 301. That is 301, followed by 312. And of course, after 3, we go to the number 4, which in this case we have 410. And then the last number in this set of numbers is 502. That is, the number of highest value in this set of numbers is 502. And by doing this, remember to always check for the digits. That way you will know which one comes before the next by arranging in ascending order. Thank you.